In this video, we're going to look at how to transfer a serialized item using CM Client. To initiate a transfer, we're going to go to the purchasing ribbon and select Transfer Items. The first thing we do is we select the item that we want to transfer. I'm just going to select my gauge. And CribMaster is going to show us the bins where this gauge currently resides. At this point, I need to select the specific serial ID to transfer. So I can just click this ellipsis and it will show me all of the serial IDs that are associated with this item. I'll go ahead and select serial ID number 12. Now down below, it's going to show me where this item can be transferred to. It can only be transferred to a bin that has the same item assignment. Now right now it went ahead and gave me a suggestion automatically, but I can click this drop down and select any of the others. Now notice this one is a different crib. I can transfer items between cribs provided that they are either at the same site or part of the same crib area. Now that my transfer is set up, I've got a couple of options. If I do a transfer now, CribMaster is going to assume that the item has now been physically moved to the other crib, and it will decrement the bin quantity in one crib and increment it in another. And then as far as the system is concerned, serial ID number 12 now lives in crib 3. Or I could do a scheduled transfer. At this point, the transfer will remain open until I close it at a later time. So if I'm not planning to move the gauge until later, I can select schedule and then leave it open until I physically move the serial ID and then close out the transfer. I'm going to go ahead and do the transfer now. It'll ask me to confirm and I'll say yes. And down below you can see that the transfer has been completed.